Okay, I'm going to show you how to access TeacherMade from an iPad. Okay, so I sent out a link. So here we go. Here was the link, and all I did was click on this link, right? And I use student 900 numbers. This is my fake one, just to use for practice. All right, now it says type your name on the line. So I'm going to add a text box and type Melissa. Okay, and then I can just move this around and put it in the right spot. Okay, that's easy. Multiple choice, choose the best answer for each question. All right, so I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose, I'm just going to choose some answers here just to kind of get through this. You can see I'm just picking an answer. If I chose the wrong one, I can click somewhere else and choose a new one. Matching, okay, I'm going to hold this first term, transverse, and then I want to drag it over to the term that I want to match it to. Or I could start on this side and drag it over to the term that I think it matches with. Okay, so again, click on the one that I want, drag it like this. All right, so that was a little clunky. I was moving too much. There we go. All right, so this one maybe not the best one. You have to be a little gentle, a little tougher for this one, okay? So if I had students who were working on iPads, I might not use the matching or have less, okay? So you can see there was a little bit of difficulty. True, false are going to be easy peasy. Again, I just double tap to kind of enlarge it. The fill in the blank, easy enough. Students won't think there is an answer, but here you can see in the iPad it clearly checks it off which answer they had chosen. Okay, when they haven't chosen an answer, the check mark is at the top. Okay, and then here they're going to be labeling. So we'll just say we're typing in the word. That's it. Okay. All right, so fairly easy, all right, to type. The only difficulty here I found was with matching, okay, a little difficult scrolling up and down with moving too far in the matching activity, okay? So if I hold on this and try and drag it, the screen was trying to move. So I might avoid that one. Multiple choice worked fine. Text box worked fine. True, false, fine. The drop down, fine. Typing in the answers, totally fine. Okay, so let's try and draw some lines. Okay. Again, a little bit of difficulty with the lines. Let's look at highlighting. Okay, I think it works all right. Let's try drawing. Again, a little bit of difficulty in terms of getting it to function well with the iPad in terms of movement. Okay, however, a lot of these options work just fine, especially this one here where you can have text boxes and have them type their answers in. You can have it self-checking, or if they just need to make their own text box, okay? Those work well, and that's one of the best things that I really like about this site. And then I'm going to click I'm done, and it says it's not been completed. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so but I'm going to cancel. I would say okay if I were the student, but I'm going to cancel because this is just my test one to practice out. Okay, and here you can see it highlighted. These are the ones that you forgot to fill out, just so I know what I have to do. And see, I missed these ones, anything that I forget to fill out, it's going to mark for me so that I can get back to it before I actually submit my work. So overall, I'd say it's okay. Yes, there are some difficulties in working with an iPad in terms of movement of the screen. And this is my first time using it with the iPad, so I'm not sure if there's something I could do on my end to make it a little easier, but that's my input so far.